Yeah, so it's kind of here.
Yeah. Hi guys! Good afternoon na. Hapon na para dito guys. Kakarating lang namin galing nagpa-foot massage. So, welcome back to our vlog. Today is magpapakain si Mr. sa family ko guys. So, may pa-despedida si Mayor sa bahay namin. And nag-order lang kami ng lechon. Ayan yung dyan, Maasinhon. One of the famous lechon in Pagadian City, Maasinhon. So, nag-order kami guys. And mamaya namin yung kukunin. And then si Mr. bumili na rin ng wine para mamaya. And then maybe I can have coffee now already. And then our fruits. Bumili pala kami ng fruits. Where is the fruit? I think it's here.
What do you want, 3 in 1? Or?
Yeah, I just want the 3 in 1. Yan, nakabubad na naman si Mr. Kasi mainit. Nainitan siya. Nainitan siya, mga guys. Okay, we'll have coffee. We'll turn it on the lights. Wait, so dark here. Yep. Ay. Uy niya, alam, pero maglakaw man niya. Sige, sige. Okay na tayo. Salamat. Yes, I'm very sorry we didn't able to clean this morning because we're so busy. Oh, no worries. Yeah.
Did you want to give them one?
Oh, you can.
Just one?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Just the one thing? Or? I just got one.
Maybe. One.
Or do you want to do it?
500 each. Okay.
Yeah. Are they out there still?
Yeah. Salamat sa pagkuminti sa mga sa murong. Baba. Tayo na. Oh. Deserve niyo. Salamat kayo ha. Thank you. Naulaw pa sila mudawat guys. Yeah, no, I don't want chocolate. I have one here. This one? You want this one? Like that. This, I think Liam will have this one. So, dalhin namin to sa Rose sa bahay guys. Kasi favorite ni Liam. Hindi pa nila nalinisan yung room namin. But, it's okay. Lilinisan nila yan mamaya. So, ito yung view namin sa kwarto guys. Ayan.
We might even get a couple more waters.
Oh, later when you get... Yeah. You ready for the lechon?
Ready.
Hey Enzo, are you ready for the lechon?
I am.
Oh.
Is there an unveiling?
Yeah. Ooh, good. Mo dyan yung mo. Get request. And cake. Okay. Then the chop suey. Lechon. Dili na humok na siya yun. Humok na nire. Let's wait, my love. And Auntie Geraldine will pray first. Come on. Come on, excuse me.
Should I put this in the fridge then?
Yeah. Okay, excuse me, babe. Oh, wait. Excuse me. Don't worry, it's okay. Okay ra. Magkuha na ron. Dali na dali.
What happened? What happened?
Takan unang gutom na. Di manang. Asa man ka mo lingkod? Oh, sige, kaya ra. lingkod siya diri daw. Pastura, dali na. Pag-pray na, pastura.
Oh, right here. Maybe you're here, Baba. Whose Tatsu's birthday?
Wala. Hospital na lang. Wow.
Wow.
Wala na tayo crunchy. Wala na tayo crunchy.
Here. I both feel weird.
Good morning.
Kabalo pa
Good
nga
morning,
sa ubos.
guys. Nagsibe, may tanaw ganin nila.
Ayun.
Kabalo, ka mga person diri guys. Dugay kay sila ang amo sayo kay na ng mata. Kay ang sabot lagi. Sayo mo adto dito sa yuta. Mao na, gider-der pa ko sa kumanghod. Kaya bitawa kay sayo ra ba jud mi? Sayo jud kay late kay gisa ka oras.
What's this?
Yan, tag-iya sa yuta guys. Naglingkod ko sa tubangan. Sayo kaining mata.
Enzo did this. Mommy, what is
Tanaw
this?
jud daw siya dito.
Mommy, what is this?
I don't know.
Enzo did that, remember?
Yeah.
No, it's just, it's just, Enzo doesn't know.
Oh, good morning guys. Punta tayo sa ano guys sa pagdirigan namin ng bahay. Yeah. We're going to the one where we built our house.
Again.
Yeah, are you excited?
Are we gonna build a house when we get there?
Not now.
Now. Wait, right now we're going?
Yeah.
I wanna stay in the car, it's boring.
Okay, that's good that you stay in the car so that you won't disturb daddy. Yeah, you can stay in the car. Papa can stay in the car, daddy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That
She
right.
wants.
Well, what is Daddy gonna do?
Oh, this changed
Just
the
look, take a
area.
few pictures.
Yeah.
Just look at it again, because I just saw it that one day. Just to see it.
Mayo karon kay bugnaw-bugnaw. Are you supposed to have a soccer today?
Yeah.
So,
So
here.
where's our property?
So, John, ikaw daw subay, John. Asa atong property, John? Careful. Oh,
Paubos siya, ti.
paubos siya.
Ano, 600?
Okay. Where is our land? Diha tanaw? Yeah, asa taman ang post.
I mean, where?
So, this is the 600.
This is the front?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So where's
Our land is over there from that.
where's the side of it though? Just
Here.
Just right here?
Yeah. Careful, babe. So dito ra ato ang post, no?
Dito ra.
Asa ang end? Ang end sa likod. Ah, okay.
Sa likod katong poste.
Ah, okay.
So where is it?
Our land is in the back. This is the 300 square meter there. 300 square meter.
I know, but I mean, where is this? Our land is up there, but where is it on this line? What
Asa
line?
daw nga line yot ang ato ang
Is it
yuta.
over here? Is it here?
Kana dira. Dito, likod anong balaya, street pa yan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So it, come on, let's go. Let's go back. Let's go up.
Kini
Yeah.
ang muhuni sa 600 square
Yeah.
meter ang gisubay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So let's go up our land. Come on. Dito agi.
I can.
Yes.
Why you can't fit, huh?
So
That's why you should stay in the car, right? Look at your sister.
Naram gumuhon diri.
So asa nag-start?
Dire.
Okay, honey, this is the starting from our land, the 1,000 square meter. Go, 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 go!
Sige siya pangapon.
That's why Brian, that's why you're... Hi guys! Mag-voice over ako kasi hindi ako nagsasalita dito guys kasi naguguluhan si Mr. Saan ba yung nabili niya na 1,000 square meters. Hindi pa kasi na-clearing yung area. And yung 1,000 square meter is from yung dulo ng bahay na yan. Start sa bahay na yan na ginawa. And then, yan, belong yan sa 1,000 square meters guys. Ano nga lang, hindi pa nga siya cleared. And hopefully ma-clear it out namin to guys para maano ni Mr. yung 1,000 square meter yung nabili niya last year. Kasi yan si Liam nagreklamo na naiinitan daw siya. So yan, bilong yan sa 1,000 square meters. Ayan. And then yung kubo, bilong yan sa 1,000 square meter. And then yung kulungan ng baboy. So binili namin yan guys kasi yung view nga na super ganda. Na makita mo yung airport ng lugar namin at saka yung dagat. And malamig dito guys and mahangin lalo na pag yung hapon na siya at sa gabi.
Yeah.
Maganda. Ayan, super nagustuhan ni Mr. Yung guys. And then malayo sa kapitbahay. Yun yung pinakagusto ni Mr. na yung wala siyang maririnig na maingay guys.
Good morning guys.
Ito, nakatingin ako sa baba kasi hinintay ko yung pamangkin ko. Mag-check out na kami today. Wednesday. Na mag-check out na kami guys kasi tomorrow we have early flight going to Manila and then going to Boracay. Mag-Boracay tayo. Okay, malinis na yung namin. Hindi na masyadong magulo naman pag iwanan yung room para hindi naman kawawa yung natin, mga housekeeping guys. Okay, kanina nagpunta kami sa sa lupa na pagtitirikan namin ng bahay. Oh, okay. So actually we bought those land, we bought that land from we bought it last year. 1,000 square meter guys, 1,000 square meters siya. And gustong dagdagan ni Mr. ng another 600 square meters para medyo malaki-laki daw yung pagtatakbuhan ni Mr. Ayun, makipag-negotiate pa kami sa may-ari guys kasi medyo may kamahalan na nga yung lupa dito sa Mindanao, dito sa Pagadian City. Sa 3,500 square meters. Last time nabili namin yung yung lupa is yung benta niyong may-ari is 3,500 per square meters. So 1,000 square meters yun guys. Eh yun, do gustong dadagdagan ni Mr. para magiging 1,600 na siya. Sana magkaano kami sa presyo, no? Kasi medyo tinaasan niya yung price ngayon. Kasi naka-divided na yung lot na yun, guys. We'll see. Hope makuha namin. And then, hopefully by next year, maano na namin yung guys, mapalagyan na ng bakod, tapos ano na yung lupa. Tapos ipapacheck din namin siya ng isang engineer, yung taga soil testing, kung kaano ba katibay yung ipapagawa namin na pundasyon ng bahay. Price not there yet? Okay, that's fine. We still have, yung check out dito is 12 o'clock. Kagabi pala, napag-usapan na Mr. na dapat mag-extend ng another night, pero maaga nga yung flight namin tomorrow, so mabuti lang doon kami sa bahay ng nanay ko mag-stay for tonight kasi malapit lang kami sa airport guys, compare dito sa city. Yung hotel kasi dito sa city, tapos yung bahay ng nanay ko malapit kami sa airport ng Pagadian City. Parang ano lang siya, from our house going to the airport like 5 minutes, right Daddy? Yeah, ganun siya kalapit.
Plus there's traffic in Tignan.
Yeah. It takes 7 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
So we'll leave early tomorrow. We don't want to miss our flights. Yeah.
Yeah.
So are Are you excited to our
Our next
Boracay
adventure.
honeymoon?
Yeah, but this is like how many vacations? We had a little vacation in Manila, then a vacation here in Pagadian, then we'll go to Boracay for vacation, and then we go to Hong Kong. for
Yay!
Short vacation.
Yep.
So we get like 4 vacations. It tickles. Is it coming in white? Is it? I'll have to shave it off if it's white.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah.
Like 2 hours from
I
now.
know. No, we was worried that we might.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your Boracay?
Yeah,
Are you ready to stay in Sharm?
I got my camera ready. And bathing
Great.
suit.